igama lami ngu-Asavela, and I am humbled to stand before you and speak about such a remarkable man. Mangabe ngilahlekelwe umuntu, I usually write something down just to understand what I'm going through, and I think it's fitting namhlanje ukuthi nginifundele okanye nginikeze ithuba lokuthi ngikhulume about uBabDon. I met uBabDon at an audition in 2019, and we connected. Because phela bengiyifan ngibona uLaqhash, and uBabDon really did not like umuntu oyifan. And before he left, because he went in first, he said, "Ungabi bari." And I didn't understand what he meant. And it was only in 2021 that truly sparked a beautiful friendship. Despite his fragility, his sense of humor and sternness remained unwavering. And he reminded me just before we did a scene on Abo Mama, ngathi ungabi parang acting amapari mina. What struck me the most about uBabDon is his wisdom, his fatherly affection, and we shared a star sign, and my birthday was on the 4th. And he would call every year since I've met him, 2021. And I'd remind him ukuthi ngimdala ngoba ngizalwa ngomhla ka4 and wena uzalwa ngomhla ka7. Athi yabona kusuqala ukuba ibhari futhi. During one of the most challenging times last year, I called uBabDon and he said to me, "I'm here anytime because you've been there for me when I needed you most. I'll forever be grateful for his unwavering support." After not seeing him for a while, I came back to Joburg and got Baba sengifile. Wathi ungahamba ungangibonanga. I'm grateful I went to see him that Wednesday, not knowing what the following Wednesday he would no longer be with us. It allowed him to meet my daughter. He said, "Take a picture of us." But she went to him and I took that picture, which I'll cherish forever. We went through so much over the years, and sometimes and he would call at him, "Danami, I need you now." The day before he passed, one sent him a message, which I choose to call Mpago Wempilo, because to me that felt like a reassurance of his love and support over the years. So Uma, his Tanana, as he would call you, I am so sorry you've lost your best friend and partner. And I promise to keep the flame of our friendship burning and to remain family as uBabDon would have wanted. I've lost a friend and a father. uBabDon, I love you and I'll miss you dearly.